He could take you back. I just pulled up, I got some new. I just pulled up, I got no new.
Hey, what's up guys? It's Fusion, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own merch in 5 minutes or less. So guys, before we hop in, I'd really appreciate a like and hit that subscribe button and help me reach 3,000 subscribers. Now guys, as you can see, right here is my custom merch shop. I make my own merch, and you can come on here and you can buy my merch. If you guys do want to check out my merch, hit the iCard in the top right and it will take you right to the store. Anybody that does buy merch gets featured on my website for as long as until there's a new merch buyer. So if somebody didn't buy merch for a whole month, you would be on my website for a whole month with your social medias and whatever picture of your logo or you choose. So don't forget about that, but let's hop into actually making the store. First, you want to come to teespring.com. You want to click here on Start Designing. Now, we'll bring up this login thing, but of course, you don't have an account, so you have to click Sign Up. So you want to sign up here. After you sign up, guys, it will take you to this page. So this page is pretty much the entire design place. So for this example, I am going to be doing a simple t-shirt design. So you want to come over to the t-shirt, click select this. Then you have, sorry for that, but then you have a wide selection of t-shirts to choose from. So I usually use the comfort tee. It's not too expensive and it does look pretty comfortable. Now right here, you want to click sell if you want to have a store, but if you want to just buy it for yourself or buy them and sell them in real life or something like that, you'd click buy. But for this example, we're going to click sell. So now we're already brought to the t-shirt. So the first thing I usually like to do is think, what type of design am I going to do? Am I going to have a black on white, a white on black? Is it going to be colorful? So the first thing you want to do is come over to the colors. You could go for something like green, but I'm just going to stick to black for this tutorial. Next is going to be our images and text. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to make a simple t-shirt that says Fusion here and has my logo. So if you're doing that, you just want to click add image and find a transparent image of your logo. And if you don't have a logo, the card is in the top right for a 5-minute tutorial on how to make your own logo. And by the way, guys, know that you cannot choose like other brands' logos, like for an example, Supreme, and put the logo here and have them print it. They won't do that. They'll just block the design. So now, because this video is getting too long, we're probably going to go a little bit over 5 minutes. Let's hurry up with this. So we want to put our logo or whatever design you can design with online photo editors or anything like that. You want to place the design on your shirt. You can place it wherever you want in this box. And if you want to go to the back design, you just click back. So I'm just going to have my logo go right here. I'm going to add a text and I'm going to type hashtag FUZEARMY. And I want this font to be white, so I'm going to come up here and click white. And I also want it to be bold, so I'm going to click that. So this is looking pretty good and simple. I like it, but the last thing I'm thinking of is a back design. Do I want a back design or not? So for the back, I've decided to just do something like this with my logo without the ring and with my logo like that. You know that you can always get into better designs. It doesn't have to be something as simple as this, but like this, you're already done with the design. Now getting on to the price. Guys, nobody's gonna buy a shirt that looks bad. If you have a good enough design, somebody will buy it. But I do not think that you should price your shirt anything above $25. I recommend a good price is about $22 or $23, and you always want to do the 99 trick, because whenever you're selling something, if you do $0.99, it's going to make somebody think it's cheaper and you're going to end up getting somebody to buy that. So I'm going to make my listing, I actually don't even have to do it, they already have it set, but I'm going to make it $22.99. And right here, they will have this little price worked out here, but if you do want to increase it to make sure you get the same amount of profit, you can do that also. Last thing is, if you want to choose a few different colors that might look good with your design, you can do that right here. I think that I might go with this dark blue one, and I think we're all set. The last thing you want to do is hit continue. it will ask you if you want to add more products. You can do this, but I do notice that usually they're a little bit messed up. Like as you can see on the hoodie there, the design is a little bit off. You can do that if you want, but a little disclaimer, whenever you do make a design and then you choose to have the same design, see how this says codename white, this says codename white? If I change one of these titles, it changes this one too, because they're like linked in a way, and I do not think you can unlink them. So that's just a little thing. If you don't mind that, it's fine, but I don't really like it, so for now on, I'm just gonna like make a listing and then make another listing instead of making them together. So now you just want to click continue. Final thing is name of your design. I'm going to title this FUZEARMY T, like that, and then for the description, you want to do something like, and just a simple little description like that, or you can say something like this t-shirt resembles this or that, and now you can choose to have the back design or the front design, what color you want. I mean, there's so much stuff you guys can do with Teespring. And then the last thing you want to do is, if you don't already have a merch store, you want to create one and click publish listing. And then you will have a merch store like this, guys. You'll have a shirt right here, something like this that you can click on to. You can buy it yourself. You can choose any colors you want. You can share it with your friends. They can buy it, and it's great. If you guys want another tutorial on Teespring, kind of about all the settings you should have, and more stuff on the pricing and different things with that, because this video was cut short due to me trying to make it 5 minutes or less. If you guys want another video of me explaining more stuff about Teespring, do not worry, I can do that for you. Just make sure you guys get this video 20 likes. If you guys want more helpful videos like this, just let me know. This has been Fusion, and I'll see you guys next time. And guys, before you go, remember, God loves you. Go look up John 3:16 right now. Need a logo but don't know how to make one? Head over to FUZIONHERE.com and place your order for a custom logo and get it in only a few short days.